to the schools, and we have to expedite all the pending cases which are there.
The Khasi Students' Union met with National Law University Meghalaya Vice-Chancellor Professor Indrajit Dubey yesterday, expressing concerns over alleged irregularities in appointments at the university. The KSU accused the university of nepotism, claiming appointments were made without advertisements or interviews, favouring government council members' families, while also raising concerns about the illegal appointment of Gurpreet Singh as a deputy registrar. Further, the KSU vowed to approach the government for corrective action.
Ilai ke ikabaja hapo nihu haba uvisi jong nihu ru utung yu deputy registrar klaim kinu kindon ki an ki babiang kila pelat ya advertisement hadin balak pelat ya advertisement kila shortlist ya sangut kita ki candidate ki ba la banwan ha post interview Henry klaim penmi ya result pan kila kila ai appointment na yo tahu Gurpreet Singh kum utau deputy registrar te halor ke itai benta nakaliang kaseng ngiwan banyi kendu vice chancellor mentara sni bangin yo ya kata kajing punshai nakaliang kajung